Today I'm going to show you my new cleaning closet. Actually, it's been a cleaning closet for a really long time, but it's been organized really well now. This used to be a coat closet and we just didn't need it. It's in the front of the house. We have a coat closet in the mudroom that we use. So we turned this into a cleaning closet. So my husband just installed all of these shelves for me as an early birthday present. And I think I need to have a light put in here. So I thought I'd just share how I organize this, maybe give y'all some ideas. So at the very, very top where I barely get into it, I have extra light bulbs. And then I also have my extra trash bags. Now I actually put a roll of trash bags in the bottom of the trash can underneath the existing trash. So that's just extras. So yeah, store your trash bags under your trash in your trash can. That way it's always available. Kleenex, paper towels that I need to restock, command strips. I use so many command strips, it's ridiculous. These are tea bag organizers. So you can organize by size and shape and type and whatever. I have to have two because I use a ridiculous amount of command strips. This is a picture that I use when I go shoop, when I clean bathtubs. So you fill it with water and then you shoop. I make the noise too. I honestly do. I make a lot of weird noises when I clean. My steamer and all the attachments, all of my vacuum maintenance, so like extra filters and whatever. I have miscellaneous hardware. I have floor protectors and I have rubber gloves. I have my own toolbox. My son bought me this for Christmas a couple years ago and I use it all the time. I love it so much. I make a lot of my own cleaners, so this is where I keep my ingredients. I've got in here like peroxide and alcohol and tabs and like organic dish soap and that kind of thing. So I try to be like 80% clean and then the other 20% is this crap. But I mean, we can only do so much. I mean, here's my organic cleaners that I use most of the time. And sometimes a girl just wants to use some damn chemicals. So I've got this for the other 20% of the time. I've got my stuff hanging on the wall. Nice and convenient. Got this big, huge vacuum that was on my stairs to the basement for the longest time. And I hated that because it was in the way and I just didn't have room in here. So now with these half shelves, I can fit that guy in there. I'm so stoked. These are little mini, one is like an upholstery shampooer and one is a spot bot. And then I put a dog mat. So that's where you would put like dog food and water on. It's silicone. I put that under there just to protect my floor in case they leak. I've got my Shark stick vac. I'm obsessed with this dude. I do not have a plug-in to keep him recharged in my closet. So what I've done is I have, of course, the little plug here. I've run a couple command strips down the wall. You can kind of see it's those cord holders. Run those down the wall, down to the bottom where I've like wound up the cord, hung it on a command strip. Then it goes down underneath the door. Pardon me just a moment. Got another command strip holding it down, goes around the corner, down another command strip holding it down, and then it goes behind my bathroom vanity and plugs in over there. So if you need to plug something in your closet, you don't have a way, you can always run a cord and kind of hide it that way. It's a thought. Then on the wall here on the door, I hung a little step stool because I cannot reach those light bulbs at the very top. And then this is a, what the heck is it called? That you put diapers in, a nursery organizer. And it holds my sponges, mini trash bags, my magic erasers and Scotch-Brite pads, Swiffer dusters. My little Swiffer dusters are hanging on the wall here. My Power Mop pads, my Yoshi pads. So that's my robot mop is called Yoshi. My two Roombas are Mario and Luigi. And then just rags and microfiber rags. So anyway, that is my cleaning closet. I am obsessed. I love everything about it. So hope you got some ideas.